If your faucet's spitting out weird and it's pissing out the gooseneck end, you probably need a new aerator. So here's what you need. You need a new aerator, something to grip the faucet with, plenty of light, and a Coors Light. First you're going to put something in the drain and then twist this off lefty-loosey. And look at that. Aerator's gone to shit. Drop the new aerator in there with the right gasket. Twist it back in, righty-tighty. Turn the faucet on. Nice and clean. No more leaking. But if it's still leaking out of there, I gotta make you another video and get myself another Coors Light.